old people need their sleep.
Yeah.
And she'll probably take a little nap on her couch. She'll fall asleep. She doesn't lay down, but she'll fall asleep while she's knitting or,
Yeah.
late in the afternoon.
Does he
Nap.
take naps ever, Dad?
Depends on the day. If it's a crummy day, he'll lay on the couch,
yeah.
on the porch or inside. And at home, he'll lay on the couch inside and take a nap.
How long will he sleep for? I'm so nosy.
Oh, when we're at home, those are short, 20-minute.
Okay.
Shelby gets up there with them.
Yeah.
Yeah. But up here, he might lay there for like an hour.